Can you find the inverse of this function? Do you think you can solve it? Okay, pause and try it first, and then watch the video. We're going to start off with changing this equation to y equals 1 plus e to the negative 2x all over e to the negative 2x. Now, when we're finding the inverse, we change y to x and both of these x's to y. So we're going to rewrite this as x equals 1 plus e to the negative 2y all over e to the power of negative 2y. Now, the dilemma is when you have two y's, and not only having two y's, both of them are exponents. So what we need to do next is definitely cross multiply the e to the negative 2y to the x. So we'll end up with x e to the negative 2y equals 1 plus e to the negative 2y. Now the next step, we have to bring everything that has a y in it to one side. So I'm going to bring this e to the negative 2y to the other side. I will have x e to the negative 2y, and bringing this to the other side, it becomes minus e to the negative 2y equals 1. The one remaining right there. Now the smart thing to do is take out e to the negative 2y as the greatest common factor, and then end up with x minus 1 in the brackets equals 1. Now we're just going to take this, the top there, we're going to divide both sides by x minus 1, and we're going to end up with e to the negative 2y equals 1 over x minus 1. Now we come to the next thing. To be able to solve for y, we need to bring the y to the bottom of e. How we do it? By laning both sides. So if we lan both sides, we throw a lan right here, and we throw a lan right here. That allows us to bring the exponent down. That's according to the exponent, or according to the log rules. So now we could bring negative 2y to the bottom, and we have ln e equals ln 1 over x minus 1. Now this is negative 2y equals ln e is 1, so that's gone, equals, and I'm just going to change this to ln x minus 1 to the power of negative 1. So I just brought that to the top, and to be able to do that, we need to make this to the power of negative 1. Negative 2y equals, we're going to bring the negative 1 down, and that's going to give me negative ln x minus 1, and therefore y equals, we divide both sides by negative 2, so the negatives will cancel, and dividing both sides by 2 will give me 1/2 in front of the ln x minus 1. This question was on the midterm exam for calculus first year at University of Ottawa. So it's a bit challenging, but if you know what you're doing, you should be fine. Okay. Did you try it on your own? And if you did you get the right answer? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe for more interesting videos. I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.